Sanibonani, football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong Zekamala Mbongi Nkosi. Please, asingaxoviswe madoda. We saw how we played, and it is a good thing that we were able to create many goal-scoring opportunities, and we were able to score 3. So that's a positive, because coming from games whereby which we found it difficult to score goals, it simply means Guti, we are trying to improve. Just hope Guti some players now, they should improve in terms of being clinical in front of the goal post. AS Simba was lucky that Utashrik Morris wasn't playing. But he could have scored on that game. Because one thing I've noticed about Kaizer Chiefs is the fact that every time when there's a lot that is at stake, that's where they want to perform. That's why at some point I make an example saying if it was allowed, let it be good Kaizer Chiefs, every game that they're going to play, they start by losing 1-0 so that they can cover and make sure that they turn things around and win the game. Because Douala Lupemba didn't expect that Kaizer Chiefs will come at him. Yes, he did say they will come at him, but they will be exposed at the back. But Kaizer Chiefs had a different game plan. That game plan simply means the aim was to attack, and make sure that we draw the first blood by making sure that we make the intensity to be high and make it difficult for them to find spaces behind us. That's why we're able to score early goals. It was because we knew what we wanted, that if we score an early goal, it will boost our confidence. So it happened. That's why we scored 3 goals first half. And at our rescue, if we didn't score those 3 goals first half, I think second half be so behind the game, because second half we didn't score, and at some point I'd say we were too casual in the 18 area. But asikurapuka kulu, I just have to congratulate a player like Zita Kunika. Zita Kunika played a game of his life. He was very superb to watch. His recovery, he won many battles in the air, ground duels. He's very cool, calm and composed. I'd say he saw there's a gap in that right back position, so he grabbed it with both hands, and it is paying off now. That's why we see he added cherry on top by scoring a goal. That was a well delivered ball by Upepa 2, Upalamapalane Mfundo Vilakazi. In one game, just assisted 2 players. It simply means he's growing in that role of creativity. We just want to see what will happen if they will put him in that number 10. But the team played very well. And Oli Zonguta didn't make any post-match analysis, because being in a case, there was a load reduction, and I have to say it so that you can always be alert when you see me not uploading any video about the post-match analysis. Just know I am suing in a case. So asikhulume ngendoda ekuthiwa uGozi Power Etiosa Ighodaro. Yeah, I think Ighodaro is going to make it difficult for other players to get in the starting 11. Not because he scored, but it was a confidence booster for him to score his first goal for Kaizer Chiefs, especially in his second match. But the best thing is that I haven't seen a striker that is comfortable playing football, playing with the ball, just like Ugozi Power Ighodaro does. He's very comfortable on the ball. He has good feet. He doesn't lose the ball. The only time where I saw he lost the ball, it was because he was being fouled. But for him misplacing a pass, him trying to do something faint, and then they get to take the ball from him, it doesn't happen. So it simply means his hold-up play is very good. So he will need a player that is going to play closer to him, so that it can be easy for that player to benefit from Ighodaro, because he has good touches and has got vision also. One thing I saw ukuthi he has a good first touch and he can make runs and he can do a follow-up. So one thing I'd like to see him do is not to drop too deep, but make sure that he gives himself that task ukuthi he won't drop deep, so that it can be easy for us to start our counter-attacks. Because you can see ukuthi he's one player that we've been longing to see with Pattern, but we see now with no. Yes, it's just good. We don't have to hype him, but make sure that we see with his Spanish, because he could have scored 2 goals if it wasn't for that one that hit the post. But ball realize the baller, he knows how to protect the ball, he knows how to guard the ball, and one thing about him, understand himself, he knows his strengths and weaknesses. That's why I always see him every time whenever he has to go in a challenge whereby he has to put his body in front of his mark so that he can be able to protect the ball. It simply means that he knows one mistake bamthinta nje, it is a foul, because you can't mark behind. So Ighodaro, Khanyisa Mayo, if it happens, if Kaizer Chiefs can decide let's do a duo in terms of attack lapana, I'd prefer him to play as the number 9 that is going to collect, because he can do that very well, because he can collect, he can drop, collect the ball, dribble his way to the final third, and it will be easier for someone that is going to understand his movement and also be able to receive the balls that is going to come with. Because I think in terms of execution, he's technically gifted. That's why you can say even when it comes to close ball control, that's when you see okay, that's why it becomes difficult for him to lose the ball, because he's so relaxed and calm. That's why when he plays, he doesn't complicate things. You traps, look who was open, and then he passed that player. So for a striker that can be partnered with him, he needs just one thing: understand those movements, because we know very well he's very deadly, not only on the ground but also in the air. That's why we saw there was a chance that he tried, but his leaping was not good. It was not good. But the game was very good. Paper 2, and another player that I forgot to mention, I think it's 2. They played very well. Eden McCarthy played his heart out, because I always complain about he's always late with tackles and he missed times at the height of the balls. But today he made sure he rectifies that. And another thing that helps us in terms of going forward is those accurate passes from him, because we know when we are in position, he's very good. That first goal resulted because of his pass to Ulilepo, and then you could see amanye amabhola unokuphula amawindow nje ubone ngebhola selilaphayana kwi-incision phase, lifike kanjani you don't know, but usuke washaya nje ipass accurate waphula iwindow. So he had a good game, including Operato Pre Solomons had a good game. I'd say nje I was delighted to see Wasane Velepai being introduced second half. Vele umsebenzi bosowugqitshiwe, he served Paper 2. But there's one day, I don't know what it is me obona izinto zami ngedwa, but hayi, when I see Velepai, mina I see Ashley Dupreez. Velepai has he resembles Ashley Dupreez. That's why you can see in terms of his stature, in terms of his body posture, amaranzi, explosiveness, uDupreez ayihlalele. One thing I saw okay, sazodla ngapi, because even off the ball movement is very good, and also positioning wise is very intelligent. That's why he always make sure he times his run so that he knows he's onside, and then he wait for that pass in such a way he knows he's quick when it comes to being explosive. Take off yakhe is very quick. That's why you saw most of the time muthola nje afuna ukushaya lama cutback, ashaya ama cutback. Yeah, course lidlalile and we are excited ukuthi sikwazile uku-advance to the group stages. 7 million in the bank simply means ukuthi now we have to focus ukuthi siyophuma kanjani kuma group stages. Is it a case of Kaizer Chiefs doing what they've done 2020 if not mistaken ku-CAF Champions League, whereby ukuthi they focused on the Champions League and took their focus off league, domestic competitions, or they can try to balance both, because in terms of squad depth, yeah, it allows us ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza lokho. So is this the start of new things, or it was because we had no choice but to win? Because let's hope asiwaqedanga amagoli wethu ku league as kumele siyodlala nge-31 with i-Durban City. What if inkingi lapha e-FNB Stadium? That's why amagoli angangeni laphana. Hayi, kuningi. I hope unikahle emakhaya. This is it for today.